Check it out, guys. Be happy together today, tomorrow, forever. We are here in Hangout Resto Bar. Resto and Bar. Oh. Check out the windows over here. So it looks like it's gonna rain.
It's raining already.
So we have a busy day today. We're gonna sit right here. I told my wife I'm gonna take you out, baby, to eat. Don't worry.
Yeah, because I'm stressed.
Yeah, she's been stressing. She's been working so hard lately. This is my hard worker. Ooh, look, it's gonna rain. Yeah. First time we drove the motorbike together. It's over there. I'll show y'all later. We popped.
My God, you scare me.
We popped the wheelie for the first time.
Oh my God.
Did you die, baby? No, you didn't. Okay. No. Anyways.
Oh my God, I don't think we can do the barbecue today.
Cause it's gonna rain. But anyways.
We're not ready. We have no firewoods.
Anyways, we already ordered our food. We're gonna sit here in this cool little room. We're gonna take some pictures right there. Stay tuned for the rest. Watch the food. Like, comment, subscribe. Ta-da! Okay, guys, so we got some fries.
We're almost done.
This is part of our order, but look how it comes in this cute little shopping cart. This was supposed to be like a bundle for two, but eh. And then here you have the banana ketchup. In the Philippines they use banana ketchup, not regular, it's not like the USA ketchup.
No.
Okay, so I ordered a burger, so I just got it. And look, got a green bun. Supposed to be an 8-inch burger. We got cheese, the mayonnaise, the well, no, this is cucumber and tomato. So we're gonna try it out and see how it tastes. All right, y'all. So we got the chicken teriyaki wings.
Oh my God, I like this.
And then we got the pecho chicken. What do you call this chicken?
Pecho.
Pecho. Well, the way it's cooked. Manok, no? Anyways, got the rice. She likes the burger. That's good. I told you we wanted burger. Yeah, the burger is good, y'all. Burger. Very yummy. This is like a juice that comes with that plate. Take a bite, baby. Let's see if you like it. Welcome to Asia. What is that?
I don't remember.
Oh my God, you never remember nothing.
Babe.
This old lady.
Yeah, you're right. Oh, lady.
Pretty good. I forgot what this was.
Baby, scan it. I remember oil.
Oh, it's like an oil.
Sorry guys, I just don't remember.
She's grandma now. You see how she's smashing the ceiling in the soy sauce? It's gonna be so spicy. Good?
My God, spicy, bro.
She get the chicken, she dip it in the soy sauce. Wow. How's the chicken? Juicy? I'm gonna try one of these, guys. Teriyaki wings. Oh yeah, baby. You wanna try? What do you think?
No, it's good.
It's okay?